Students, let's start with exercise 9.5. Question 1. Use a suitable identity to get each of the following products. So what is our first question? X plus 3 multiplied by x plus 3. Here you can see that x plus 3 is multiplied twice. This binomial is multiplied twice. So we have to look for the identity which suits this expression. So what is the identity that suits this expression? This is nothing but a plus b the whole square. So we can also write it as x plus 3 the whole square. And what is the formula of a plus b the whole square? We will write it here, that is a plus b the whole square using identity a plus b the whole square, that is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So what we will do here is we will take x as a and 3 as b and substitute these values in this formula and expand it. That is a square means x the whole square plus 2 multiplied by a, that is x, multiplied by b, that is 3, plus b square. What is b here? 3. So 3 square. So now expand is x square plus 3 multiplied by 2, 6x, plus 3 square is 9. So our answer is this. Second, 2y plus 5 multiplied by 2y plus 5. Again here this x binomial is multiplied twice. So we can also write it as 2y plus 5 the whole square. And this is similar to the identity a plus b the whole square, that is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we will take 2y as a. We can also, if you have confusion, you can write it as here a and here b, and then start putting it into the expression or the identity, that is 2y the whole square plus 2 multiplied by a. What is a here? 2y multiplied by b, that what is b here? 5, plus b square. What is b here? 5. So 5 square. Now expand it. What is 2 square? 2 square means 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. 4y square plus 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. So 20y plus 25. So 4y square plus 20y plus 25 is the answer. Third sum is 2a minus 7, 2a multiplied by 2a minus 7. Again the same identity we will take because 2a minus 7 is multiplied twice. So we can also write it as 2a minus 7 the whole square. Here which identity we will take? Here minus sign is in between. So we will take the identity a minus b the whole square. And what is it equal to? That is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we just have to simply put the values into this equation, this identity. So here 2a is a here, we will consider it a here, and b, what is b here? 7. We will not take the minus sign along with that. We have already put the minus sign in the identity. So we just have to put 7. So a here is a square means 2a the whole square minus 2 multiplied by, what is a here? That is 2a multiply by b. What is b here? 7. We will take only 7 because already the minus sign is there in the identity. Plus b square. B square also what we will take? 7 only. 7 square. So we will elaborate it now. 2 square is 4. A square. 7 2s are 14. 14 2s are 28. Minus 28a. And 7 square is 49 plus 49. So our answer is 4a square minus 28a plus 49. Fourth sum, 3a minus 1 by 2 multiplied by 3a minus 1 by 2. This binomial is multiplied twice. So we can also write it as 3a minus 1 by 2 the whole square. And which identity we can use here? That is a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And you should not forget to write the identity which we are using in the sum. Now what is a here? This is a here and this is b here. So we will put the values in the identity, that is 3a the whole square 3a the whole square minus 2 multiplied by a. What is a? 3a multiplied by b. What is b here? 1 by 2. Again I am saying don't use the minus sign because already minus sign is there in the identity. And b will be 1 by 2 the whole square. So 3a square means 3 3 is a 9. 9a square minus, we have to see this is in fraction 1 by 2. So this will get cancelled. So minus 3a and plus 1 by 2 the whole square is 1 by 4. So 9a square minus 3a plus 1 by 4 is the answer. Fifth sum, 1.1 m minus 0.4 multiplied by 1.1 m plus 0.4 m. Sorry, 0.4. So see here both a and b are same, but there's operation between them is different, minus and plus. And for this, what we have studied an identity, a minus b multiplied by a plus b. That we have studied as a minus b multiplied by a plus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. Yes, this identity is similar to this a minus b, a plus b. This is a and b, a minus b, a plus b. So what we have to put here is this is a and this is b. So we can put it in the identity as 1.1 m the whole square minus b. What is b? 0.4. Minus, again we don't have to take because it is already present in the identity. Then b is 0.4 the whole square. So what is 1.1 the whole square? It is 1.21 m square minus 4 4s are 16, and here 2 points will be there, so 0.16. So our answer is 1.21 m square minus 0.16. Sixth sum, a square plus b square multiplied by minus a square plus b square. This you can see that here minus in front of a square, but we can also write this as b square plus a square multiplied by b square minus a square. Now is it similar to one of the identity that we have learned? Yes, this is similar to the identity as a minus b, a plus b multiplied by a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. Yes, this is similar. So we can, what we can do this, we can take this as a and this as b as per the identity. So what is the identity says? A square minus b square. So a square means b square b square the whole square. This you have to keep in mind whenever such sums are coming. So b square the whole square minus b square. What is b here? A square. So a square the whole square. The power of a square the whole square, we are saying that way. Now what is square? What you already know that if there is a multiplication, that we will add the powers. So square plus square, that is 4, minus a square is 4. So our answer is b raised to 4 minus a raised to 4. Seventh sum, 6x minus 7 multiplied by 6x plus 7. So this is nothing but the identity a minus b multiplied by a plus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. This is similar to this identity. So what is a? We can take 6x as a and 7 as b. So putting it into the identity, that is a square, that is 6x the whole square minus 7 the whole square, that is equal to 6 6 is 36, 36x square minus 7 7 is 49. So answer is 36x square minus 49. Eighth sum is minus a plus c multiplied by minus a plus c. So if such question is coming, what we can do here is we have to take the minus sign in between. So we can switch the positions of c and a, that is we can write it as c minus a multiplied by c minus a. Now it is similar to an identity. Which identity? That is here it is multiplied twice. So what we can write is c minus a the whole square. And what is a minus b the whole square? It is nothing but a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can use this identity here C as A we can take, and A as A for A we can take it as B. So putting it into this identity, that is A square, that is here what is A? C. So C square minus 2 multiplied by AB. So what is A here? A is C, A is C, and what is B here? A. Don't get confused when such questions are coming. You just have to write it here, what you are taking as A and what you are taking as B, and just put it in the identity formula. Plus B square, that is A. What is B here? A. So A square. So our answer is C square minus 2AC plus A square. Ninth sum, x by 2 plus 3y by 4 multiplied by x by 2 plus 3y by 4. This binomial is expressed twice. So what we can write here is x by 2 plus 3y by 4 the whole square. And as per our identity, a plus b the whole square, that is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Just put the values here, that is here we are taking x by 2 as a here, and 3y by 4 we are taking at b here. Now easily you can put the values into this formula and solve it. A here is a square, that is x by 2 the whole square plus 2 multiplied by a. A is x by 2, a multiplied by b, that what is b here? 3y by 4 plus b square. B square here is, b here is 3y by 4 the whole square. So now expand it, that is x square by 4 plus this 2 and this 2 will cancel. So 3 by 4 xy plus what is 3 square? 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. 9 by 16 y square. So our answer is x square by 4 plus 3 by 4 xy plus 9 by 16 y square. 10th sum, 7a minus 9b multiplied by 7a minus 9b. So this you can easily write it as 7a minus 9b the whole square. Which identity you can use it here? A minus b the whole square, that is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? So what is a here? Here a is 7a and b is 9b. So put it in this identity, a square, that is 7a the whole square minus 2 multiplied by a, 7a multiplied by b, that is 9b plus b square. What is b here? 9b. So 9b the whole square. Now expand this, 7 7s are 49, 49a square minus 7 2s are 14, 14 multiplied by 9 is 126. So 126 AB plus 9 square is 49B square. So this is our answer. So exercise 9.5 question 2 now. Use the identity x plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b the a plus b multiplied by x plus ab to find following products. So what is our first question? That is x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 7. So only one identity we have to use in this question, that is x plus a multiplied by x plus b. So here a is, first we always have to write what we are considering, that is a here is 3 and what is b here? B is equal to 7. So just now put it in the identity, that is what is our identity? Our identity we can write it here, x plus a multiplied by x plus b, that is equal to x square plus a plus b the whole x plus ab. So let's start. X square will be as it is plus a plus b. So what we have taken? A 3 and what we have taken? B 7. So 3 plus 7 multiplied by x plus ab. Ab will be 3 multiplied by 7. So what is our answer? X square plus 7 plus 3 is 10x plus 7 3s are 21. So this is our answer. Second sum is 4x plus 5 multiplied by 4x plus 1. Here see, instead of x we are taking 4x here. So the formula will be same. Which formula that we will use is x plus a multiply by x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b the whole x plus ab. Instead of x, we will take 4x, a we will take 5 and b is equal to 1. This if you write, it will be easy for you to put all these values into this formula. Now start with substituting the values into the formula, that is x square. What is x here? That is 4x. The 4x the whole square plus what is a here? That is 5 plus b is 1. Multiply by x. Don't write x here. What is our x here? That is 4x. Then what is then plus ab. Ab means 5 into 1. 5 into 1. So 4x square is 4 4s are 16. So 16x square plus, first we will add this, that is 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 here we will write 6 multiply by 4x plus 5. Now this again you have to see, 16x square plus 6 4s are 24. So 24x plus 5. So our answer is 16x square plus 24x plus 5. Third sum, 4x minus 5 multiplied by 4x minus 1. So again which identity we will take? Here is x. Here we can see that we can take the identity as x plus a multiplied by x plus b. We have to use this identity, that is equal to x square plus a plus b the whole x plus ab. Why we are taking this identity here? Because this is x, but here instead of a we can write it as minus 5. Here we have to take the number along with their sign, because our what is our formula? According to our formula, it is plus in between. So what we have to do is, so let x is equal to 4x. What is let x is equal to 4x? A is equal to minus 5 and b is equal to minus 1. We have to use the sign along with it. So we will put the values into this formula, x square. So x square will be 4x the whole square plus, put the bracket a. What is a here? Minus 5 plus b. What is b here? Minus 1. So we will put this in bracket and we will close the bracket. And what is x here? That is 4x plus what is a? Minus 5 multiply by b, that is minus 1. We have to take the values along with the sign, because as per our formula there is addition plus sign between them. So that's why we are taking minus. Now 4 square is 16x square, then minus 5 here, plus minus minus. So minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6. So plus minus 6, 4x minus multiplied by minus is plus. So here it is plus 5. Now 16x square, 6 minus 6 multiplied by 4, that is minus 24x plus 5. So this is our answer. Whenever a symbol, the sign is changing, we can use this formula. But only thing is you have to take the a and b values along with the sign in front of it. That is, here it is minus. Fourth sum, 4x plus 5 multiplied by 4x minus 1. So again we will take here x plus what formula? X plus a multiplied by x plus b, that is equal to x square plus a plus b whole x plus ab. Suppose if the identity is not given in the question and then you have been confused which formula you should use, always see that a and b is different and x is same. So without any doubt you have to use this identity. Okay, just is that you have to use the values properly. That is, x is equal to 4x here, and a here we are taking 5. It is addition sign, so no sign will be added here. Then b here is minus 1. We have to take minus along with it because the identity has plus sign between it, the formula. Now we will put the values in the formula, that is 4x the whole square plus a plus b. So 5 plus minus 1. This you have to keep in mind whenever you are doing this, putting the values into the formula. Then x multiplied by x. What is x here? 4x plus ab. A is 5 and B is minus 1. So our answer is 4 square is 16x square. 5 plus minus. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So plus 4 multiplied by 4x, and 5 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 5. So our answer is 16x square plus 4 4s are 16x minus 5. 2x plus 5y multiplied by 2x plus 3y. So here we can use the identity x plus a multiplied by x plus b, that is equal to x square plus a plus b the whole x plus ab. So what we are supposing here, x is equal to 2x, a here is equal to 5y and b here is equal to 3y. We will take the whole thing, that is the constant value as well as the variable here, because we have to see it is similar to this identity x plus a. So here it is x and a here is there, so we have to take the whole thing, that is 5y as a and 3y as b. So let's put these values into the formula, that is x square is 2x the whole square plus a is 5y plus b is 3y multiplied by x. What is x here? That is 2x plus AB. AB is 5y multiplied by 3y. Now expand it. 4x square, 2x square is 4x square plus, here constant values will be added and the powers will be, and the variable will be as it is. As you know that when this is added, the variable will not change, it will come in common. So 5y plus 3y is 8y. So 8y multiplied by 2x plus, here it is in multiplication, so the powers of the variable y will be added, and 5 multiplied by 3 is 15 and powers of this will be added, that is 1 plus 1 is 2. So answer is 4x square plus 8 to the 16xy plus 15y square. 6th sum, 2a square plus 9 multiplied by 2a square plus 5. So using the identity x plus a multiplied by x plus b, that is equal to x square plus a plus b the whole raised to x whole multiplied by x plus ab. So what is x here? X is equal to 2a square, and a here is 9, b is equal to 5. So let's put these values into the formula, that is x square. So 2a square the whole raised to square plus a plus b. A is 9, 9 plus 5 b x. What is x here? That is 2a square. So multiply by 2a square plus ab, 9 multiplied by 5. So let's start. 2 square is 4, 4a raised to 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. The powers will be multiplied plus 9 plus 5. What is 9 plus 5? That is 14. 14 multiplied by 2a square plus 9 5s are 45. So that is equal to 4a raised to 4 plus 40 multiplied by 2 is 28 a square plus 45. This is our answer. 7th sum, xyz minus 4 multiplied by xyz minus 2. This also we can substitute in the formula x plus a in the identity, that is x plus a multiplied by x plus b, that is equal to x square plus a plus b multiplied by x plus ab. So what we will suppose here, let x is equal to the whole thing, that is x, y, z, and a here is minus 4. We have to take the minus along with it, minus 4, and b here is minus 2. So putting this all thing into the formula, that is x square, x, y, z the whole square plus ab. What is a here? Minus 4 plus, what is b here? Minus 2 multiply by x. What is x here? X, y, z plus ab is multiplied, that is my a here is minus 4 multiplied by minus 2. So let's elaborate it. It will be x square, y square, z square minus, plus, what is the answer? Minus 4 minus 2. What we will get? We will add it, that is plus minus is minus. So minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. And x, y, z plus minus into minus, that is plus. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 8 here. Our answer is x square y square z square minus 6xyz plus 8.